Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by fixing what matters: posture, hydration, and 2 simple moves. Stand tall, shoulders back. Do 3 posture checks right now. Once done, drink 500-700 ml water and cut excess sodium. This reduces puffiness. Then perform chin lifts. Slow, controlled, 10 reps with 30-second holds 2 times a day. You should feel the muscles under the jaw engaging. Make sure to breathe steadily. Do not strain. These immediate steps start reshaping the jawline and reduce fluid retention over days. Once you have daily habits, increase intensity to change tissue composition. You add resistance jaw presses, 3 sets of 12, pressing your fist under the chin to create counterforce. This builds the platysma and submental tone. Simultaneously, create a mild calorie deficit with 150 minutes of moderate cardio weekly and 2 full-body strength sessions. That combination reduces overall fat, which helps the double chin diminish. Make sure to prioritize protein for muscle repair. If weight loss, you finish by turning gains into habits. Maintain posture, do exercises 3 times weekly, and keep your nutrition steady to preserve results. Once satisfied, consider professional options, injectables, or minimally invasive tightening. If you want faster change, consult a qualified clinician. Make sure to allow 3 months for measurable difference from non-invasive work. If you see no improvement after 3 months, check sleep, medications, thyroid or hormonal issues, and exercise form. Then adjust accordingly or seek medical evaluation so you address the real cause, not just symptoms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.